I usually get up at about 4 to 5 a.m. in the morning and head out to feed the sheep for the day. We've been in this local district for 110 years. We've always been farming. I'm very passionate about what we do. We put 100% into our work. I wouldn't be able to be in an office all day. I love the land very much and the sheep that we're raising. Your feet need good support from a good boot. Redback certainly do that.
Our roots are in South Sydney, 4th generation bootmakers. My great-grandfather and my grandfather set up shop after the First World War. We run the business as a family. It's become more than just making lots of boots. It's actually a legacy we want to leave. It's not just a brand that can be made anywhere, but it's a brand that's going to be made here. In the 90s, when we were rolling out, you'd rock into a town, you'd open up Yellow Pages and you'd look down and going, okay, who sells boots there? And that's the way that we did it. If we stay where we were, we wouldn't be in business. We decided to invest in capacity first and then go to the market knowing that we had the confidence in our product and our people to be able to get that growth. With the investment in our production capacity, that drove the urgency and the need for us to update our management systems in sales and marketing and those resources. It would have been easy to fall in the old trap of just throwing people at it, but unless we knew the real data and the quality direction we wanted to go, it just would have been a huge waste of money. Microsoft have given us the ability to get incredible data to present it in a much more effective way and for us to be able to see across the various markets where our opportunities are really starting to kick, why they did it, and then to replicate that in other markets.
The two software solutions that we've charged ahead with have been Dynamics CRM, and we've also implemented Power BI. Previously, sales reports were not a thing that occurred at Redback. There was too much reliance on things kept in people's heads. Before, we had an idea of who our biggest customers were, but it was good to be able to see which products are best served in which markets are seeing growth in certain products, where the gaps in the market are and where we can actually expand into. A lot of the processes in interacting with customers have become a lot more streamlined.
The power of the information systems is we would never have the confidence to do what we're doing now. That's what makes a difference for us. What we've seen over the last few months, that it's not only a transformation at Redback, it's actually a transformation with our customers. These systems help people see their role and the bigger goal and how it all comes together. The new systems and applications certainly make us feel much closer to our customer. We're giving them what they need, but also trying to bring them along and see part of the bigger picture. Digital transformations is so important. The more we've got into it, there is just no decision. You have to do it. There are so many areas that we've seen that have been absolutely untapped, and through our new relationships with Microsoft, we can get there.